Let me show you how you guys can create Pine script TradingView with ChatGPT, which means how to create yourself a Pine script using ChatGPT. Now, most people just like open ChatGPT and tell them create me a Pine script for TradingView. It does not work like that. This is the prompt you want to follow. You want to write create me a Pine script for TradingView with this rules, and go down and write rules, and then down you need to explain your rules, whatever rule you want. Maybe it could be buy when EM20 crosses above 50 EMA, or plot both EMAs, or show buy and sell labels, or something like that. I could just say include alerts. This is one of the rules, but you can add whichever rule you want. Or you can say show buy and sell label, and what I can do is buy when 20 EMA crosses below 50 EMA. So this is going to be all the rules and stuff, and if I send this chat, it'll start to create it. So it says the rule is incomplete, so I need to give it more rule. So it says normally trader buys 20 EMA above 50, or sell if you truly want to buy signal when 20 EMA. I can just adjust it, and just like that, it'll create a Pine script. Now I can just click on this copy button right beside Pine script over here. You can see the tick mark. Once it's copied, I can go to TradingView, paste it, and start using it. That's how simple it is. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.